All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be starting up Jules's 1971 Chevy C10 spring cold start. So we'll see if this old gal starts right up, old red. So yeah, we just gotta connect this battery right here. So there we go, get that done right away.
I have to start recording my video.
Okay, so yeah, it's got a 350 in it with carburetor, of course. So yeah. All right. We'll just let Jules connect the battery, and then we'll do the cold start on this thing. Make sure to leave a like as always, drop a comment down below, and smash that subscribe button. Thank you very much. All right, we got old man Jenkins connecting the battery right here. Hey, get her. Also, check out all the snow. It snowed last night. So, it's a true cold start, that's for sure. It's a chilly out. Yes, sirree. All right. And as you can see, it's pretty close to my Mini Cooper, so Jules better not roll ahead or else he's gonna be in trouble.
Alright, let me hop in here. Let's see how it starts.
Fire it up. We got the Jeep over there too, so stay tuned for a cold start on that. And we got the 77 Vet over there, all covered up in blankets, keeping warm. And we got the Mustang, of course, too. That'll be a gnarly cold start. Well, come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. When are we going to fire up the truck?
Yeah, you gotta connect the battery on this. So.
Well, does that need to be connected to restart up this thing? Not really. Should be a separate deal. Let's do this first. Dang Mustang. Do you remember the
right here. It's
slide? Oh, it's a slider.
battery, see? There we go.
Those are fake.
There.
Wow. Powered by Ford. Dang. This is a nice car. Yeah, you didn't need to take out the hood pins, but as you can see, they're clearly fake. So you're gonna connect this right now?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll connect that battery, then it's fired up this old red. What?
April Fools!
That's right, it's April 1st. So it's been sitting about 4 to 5 months, right?
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Oh, battery's not dead.
Just make sure you don't roll ahead into my car. Choke it, probably. Pretty good. Whatever you do not roll forward in my car.
Hey, we gotta lower this down. We gotta lower this thing down. You gotta wait.
It's like a tractor, sounds like.
You gotta let the choke on so that we can keep it up, buddy. But the choke doesn't get up.
Straight back. Runs good. All right. Well, leave a like, drop a comment down below, and smash the subscribe button. Peace out, you guys. Stay tuned for some more. Cold starts coming very soon.
I'll take the garage out a bit.
Peace.